ride. Almost at the club.
What's going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be changing a part that is very notorious for failing on the E46, which is the windshield washer, visor, whatever. Well, let's get into it. Alright, so this is very known to fail on E46s. Not actually fail, but break. As you can see here, we've got lots of cracks in it. I just had my windshield changed, so I figured this is the best time while it looks good. Change out this. This part I got from BMW. I got this for about $100 at BMW. You could probably get it cheaper, but I just wanted to make sure I got the right thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cabin air filter, the windshield washers, and we'll get it out. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do here is remove this. That would normally clip, but mine is, you know, messed up, I guess. Turn these, mine over here is popped. Turn this one, take this piece out, take the cabin filter out. Oh my gosh, that's dirty. And then these are T30s. I'll pull this one. My fourth one right here is broken and missing, so I have 3 of them in here. So I'll put 3 T30s, and then I'll also pull off these all the whatchamacallit, moldings. And then I'll pop these 2 caps right here. I'm just saying it now so that I can listen to my music while I work. And then I'll pull the nuts, mark the wipers, pull the wipers out, and then I'll get to pulling this out. Okay, so these are different sizes, so you can't really put them back wrong, but I would just make sure to put them in the right spot, just so you don't accidentally do it. But I'm marking them because I'm pretty sure they already basically unmarked themselves, but I'm marking them just for my own sake. So I'll use Sharpie to the area where I want it to put back once I put this back in. So now that it's marked, I'll go ahead and see if I can get it off. Alright, that was pretty easy. As you can see how I did it, I closed down the hood in order to get a better pry on it. But, as you can see, there's grommets there that hold them in. It's not focusing really, but okay, there it is. Grommets that hold them in, and also you can see how I marked it, like right there. And then the same thing over there. So as you can see how dirty this is, I'm gonna clean it up because I don't like dirty stuff after I'm changing the part. So I'm gonna clean up this area and then I will install it. Alright, now we're at the point where we install. As you can see, cleaned up everything. That's just me personally. I love to have a clean area when I'm installing, so I vacuumed, blew everything out, and wiped it all down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install this piece, and hopefully it goes in really easy. Well, we are installed and done. On that side there was a little little kink in it, but it's whatever. Much better than before. So I need to put this other piece back in. As you guys can see how it looks. It's not really failure, it's just rotting. Old car's a 2004. As you can see what the other piece looked like. Just completely deteriorated. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, just completely deteriorated. And over here, all torn up and stuff like that. So, out with the old, in with the new. It was pretty simple install. So now let me go ahead and install the cabin air filter, and then I'll be done. That's back in. T30s, remember to install these if you have 4 of them. This will go with these right here, these dowels facing downward. Pop that right back in, it'll just sit in there, it'll rest, it won't like clip or anything. And then the last part is the cover for it. Cover will go right into the piece that we just installed. Slide right in there, push in enough. Lock whichever ones are lockable for you. This one locks, but it always pops back up. And that's it. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video, the DIY on Nipsey, the E46 for the windshield cowling or whatever they call it. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.